Hi everyone, my name is Jeevan. I'm going to prepare a video on the hot topic today, the cloud computing, all thing cloud, learning and certification. In the cloud, there are several learning track and the domain all across, so it's little confusing which one should start as a beginning and what certifications can someone go and what is the next level in the domain available. So I'll be covering a couple of topic in this topic in this video. What is cloud computing? The basic about the what is all about cloud computing and the major service provider available in the market and identifying the learning path and the certification. All right, let's get started. So cloud computing. What is all about cloud computing? Cloud computing is something in term of anything that is involves delivery of IT resources and services over internet. So it's kind of on-demand delivery of IT resources and services over internet with no capex. No means no capital expenditure. Any company can take the advantage of cloud services without spending no or least almost no money in the capital expenditure. Uh, and the another benefits of cloud computing is no or least management efforts for maintaining the infrastructure that they are going to consume the service. And it is a shared responsibility, so that I'll be covering in detail later in the upcoming slide. The shared responsibility means that the responsibility will be shared based on the service category the customer is taking, whether it's the infrastructure services, platform as a service, or software as a service. So whatever service type they are going to take, the responsibility will also go up and down uh, of the cloud provider and the customer. And next benefits of cloud computing is eliminate deployment time. It's like almost in a zero time. Then customer can go and deploy their application into the cloud uh, without uh, spending on the capital, and as well as avoiding all the deployment and maintenance time. And second uh, find in the same is the scalability and elasticity available. So the customer don't need to focus or pay attention on the scalability in future demand, and that scalability expansion is also quite elastic depending on the workload they have uh, coming, and also it may predict for the future uh, prediction based on the demand and the consumption they have. So it can go upscale and as well as can go down, that which is called scale in and scale out, or in this cloud terminology. So the cloud computing in a basic and a very layman term, it's delivering hosted resources or services over internet. So any customer can take the virtual machine or can deploy directly code on the server or can take the storage uh, service or can the database management service or can take any software as a service like uh, a like Office 365 or Google Suite or Skype or Teams, like services that every company is using currently. So next topic here is the major clouds. I would like to introduce with the couple of major cloud service provider. So the cloud service providers uh, are those service provider who maintain the infrastructure of the cloud and give the services to the customer. Like the major are the GCP, the Google cloud platform, Azure is of Microsoft cloud service, and AWS is Amazon services, OCI Oracle service, Alibaba, Velo Cloud, VMware, IBM. These are the very well-known market player CSP. However, there are a couple of more available in the market. So is it the second uh, challenge that comes in mind when selecting the vendor, the provider which is suiting to, when some customers planning to move their service to the cloud. So the first point, the challenge comes in mind that which one should start. So this is why I just wanted to mention these are the points in freehand. So the determining which cloud provider will suit to this deployment is based on the customer demand, what sort of service they are looking for, and let's say they want an active directory of their service to be moved from their on premises to the cloud. So then probably they may go for Azure is the best suited for, because Azure is a really has a really good active directory. Azure Active Directory identity solution they have already. And let's say they want to use some form or a drive storage, probably they may go for Google uh, services and can take that services. So moreover, we already incorporating multi cloud integration as well, that I'll be covering in next coming upcoming videos. And so the next point I just wanted to discuss here, the identity learning and certification path. Once someone identify that, hey, this is the cloud provider we are going to use, so then what will be the learning path or a certification that someone may take ahead. And so I'm just trying to put a couple of domains and the level that someone may go in. Based on the decision, it will be solely based on your area of interest or the domain that the company where you are already working on. Let's say someone is a developer, may go for a developer domain, and within the developer domain there are several levels of learning and certification tracks. The beginning, associate, professional, and expert level track and path available. And similarly, there are other domain. In case someone is administrator level, then that person may go for an administrative track. And the data engineer, or the network and security domains, and DevOps, data scientist, solution architect, AI ML domains. So these are the domains that someone can eye on. And every domain have fundamental to the expert level certification and learning track, and these are almost common across the cloud provider. uh, there may be slight naming difference in other provider, but it is like a same in almost. They have associate level certification and professional level certification and expert level certification in a security domain, and as well as other administrator or data science level. So so this is the first point someone needs to determine at the first place, that what someone can do. And let's say like someone is going for a solution architect level track. So the solution architect track is something, the person who will be giving solution to the customer who wants to take the cloud services. And this track is available in on the all major cloud provider. And it is like a solutioning. The architect should aware of all the cloud services available on the cloud. And based on the customer requirement, the solution architect may propose, hey, you can take this solution and whatever things that can be done on the existing solution, or depending on the, if there are any further integration is required there, then they may decide further inter cloud provider integration. For example, let's say they take a Office 365 offering from the Azure, and probably they may use a Google Cloud for their hosting their web application. So further, These are the very important, and these are all common topics that will be across the all cloud available in the market. And that's it in this topic. So next topic I will be covering the common cloud terminology that is all across the cloud, uh, like the geography, the region, and availability, and as well as the service offering like infrastructure, PaaS, SaaS services, and the deployment models like private, uh, public, community, hybrid, etc. in the upcoming video. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, and if there are any comment and suggestion, please write it on the comment section in my channel. Thank you.